Hi guys, good morning. Happy today's Friday and it's May 2nd. Oh my. Tapos ko lang gumawa ng snacks ni Gabriel for school. May pasok sila. Yan. And after namin sila i-drop off, samahan ko si asawa kukuha ng blood work. Kasi he needs to get his blood work done. Diba? Ganyan na yung magkakaedad na guys. Talagang may make sure ng mga doctors dito na you're okay. Diba? Naantok pa ako. Anyway. Yeah, so samahan nyo kami sa araw namin ito. Let's go. Ready na siya. Let's go girls and boys.
Oh, I gotta get that paper.
Selling lanterns on the trees. Samahan ko si asawa sa kanyang doctor's appointment. Hi, good morning. Oh, wow. Dalaga na talaga si Gabriel. Ay. Dalaga na talaga si Cassie, guys. Good morning, Gabriel. Here, let's go. His dad's waiting. Be careful. Don't slam the door, please.
Slam it.
Let's go, guys. Tara na. Samahan natin sila. Gusto niya kasing i-open yung garahe namin. There you go. Ayan. Kalat namin garage, guys, no? Okay lang yan. Alright, let's go, let's go. It's time to go. Go inside the car now. Go, get. Ate is helping you. We're gonna be late. I love you guys.
Eddie, stay warm.
Pull down your skirt when you get out. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, you're good. Cassandra's.
Well, I told her you're going too fast. Let me slow down a little bit.
Right. So guys, we're off to the doctor appointment.
See the wizard, the wonderful wizard.
Bagong bili ko itong kalo, guys. Yesterday. Maganda naman siya. Kung pwede lang sana walang brand eh. But they don't have like a plain one.
What?
The cup, I would like to have no name.
No name.
Like, you know what I mean? Like just a plain black.
Coffee?
No. Well, you should not say that in front of Gabriel, you know, because he will not be happy.
I know. I forgot. Jeez.
Oh, okay. Anyway, guys, tara na. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Guys,
There's
na kami.
weirdos out there.
Oh, I know, right?
God, see, this is what happens when you come a little late.
What do you mean? They're already crowded.
Yeah.
Guys, same place yung pinuntahan namin last time. Right here is okay.
Where do you want me to go? Way over here?
It's up to you.
There's no other ones.
Siya lang ang papasok, guys, dahil
How about right here like this?
oh, perfect. Kasi para wala naman din akong gagawin
There
doon
we
sa
go.
loob
You want me
eh.
to get there?
It's up to you. This is perfect though.
Yeah, that's good right here. Want to put air or something?
Okay.
Look.
Kiss. Where you have seatbelt or what? Jeez, you cannot reach anymore.
My back don't turn that way.
Ay nako.
Tabalaki panel.
Saglit lang naman to guys. It's like blood work lang. Kung na lang siya. Kaya lang medyo busy na sila guys. Kaya dito na lang ako. Dahil sabi ni asawa. Last time kasi nung nakaraan, dyan kami, pumasok ako doon. Kaya lang crowded. At saka walang maupuan. Tapos yung iba guys is umuubo pa po sila no. Kaya dito na lang ako. Ayun na siya doon. Ayun na si asawa. Pasok na siya. Ayun na. Hindi siya makita. Pupunta kami sa store. So.
A few moments later.
The guy,
Who's guy? Dito na po siya guys. Ayan, oh.
one of the guys that I worked with
Oh, really?
out at that job, he's a young guy. He's like,
How old?
I don't know, probably 30s.
Oh, wow.
Anyways,
You guys talk?
he's. I think we can go this way.
Yeah, you can go this way. It's no problem. Tara guys, pauwi na po
Anyways,
kami.
he's a young guy. He was a CW, but I think he's like a,
At least you remember you.
yeah. But he had a stroke.
Oh
Young
my.
guy,
Wow, that's crazy.
probably doing something he's not
Apartment din po yan dyan.
probably doing something he's not supposed to because he was trying to get his life together and then
So, ketchup. Maglista ako. Kay para ano. Beef. Ano pa ba? Ito naman, tuna siguro, no? Dali lang guys, mag-finish muna ako ng kape. Guys, sabi niya, di ko daw gina-film. Yak! Wow guys, ito na yung dala ni Gabriel guys. Ala, nag-ano na yung mga seeds, oh. Ito yung tinanim niya na nakaraan. Naglagay ko siya ng seeds dyan sa ilalim. Tapos, ayan na. It's growing. Oh my gosh. That's so nice. Sabi pa niya, guys, hindi ko daw ginafilm ang mga ganyang bagay. Mga walang kwenta daw ginafilm ko. Sana all. Wala! Pakita niya puwet niya, guys. Kita niya puwet niya. Anyway. So, finish coffee.
ready.
Yeah. And we go. We're gonna take Kuya to his class, and we're gonna go to the store and buy some food. Anything you need from the store, Koy? Nothing.
One of those coordinates.
A what?
Oh, that's Cassandra.
So ito na lang yung lista ko so far. Mga basics. Do we need rice? I think we still have rice. Broccoli. Kauli. Good morning. Oh, I'm so glad your pimples is almost gone. Hatid na po namin si Kuya, no? Kaya lang, lahat ng mga roads dito ata sira eh.
Somebody ran into the pole, that's why.
Oh no! Grabe! Tingnan po ninyo guys. OMG! Nasira yung pole. Pole ng kuryente. Right? That's the kuryente pole. Electric pole.
Power pole.
Right daw. Ano ba yan? Daming sira sa road kanina doon. Na-close yung isang road
It's
papunta
called
sa...
detour.
Oh yeah, papunta sa school ni Kuya kasi mayroong disgrasya. Hopefully okay lang yung mga ano kasi yung front talagang sirang-sira. So ngayon naman pag pauwi is may nakasagasa ng pole good guys kung dyan anuhan ng kuryente ba. May nakasagasa kaya para siyang na-bend kung nakita niyo yun kung hindi siguro klaro. Anyway, kaya aayusin yun doon ng bongga-bongga. Yan lang din ang kagandahan dito sa Amerika, no?
Never go down Locust anyway.
Yeah, kasi mabilis po yung action nila. Mabilis ang action dito sa Amerika. Kaya goods. So tara, punta na tayo sa tindahan. Let's go. Andito na kami sa tindahan.
Don't they look green?
Everybody.
They look kind of green.
It's up to you. Alo, may papaya po
$1,
sila,
though.
oh.
You can try one.
Wow, papayas. Papayas. Hindi lang natin alam kung sweet pa ito.
This one's not.
Kano naman to? It's
but
not
it's
bad.
little.
Ganap po siya ng cantaloupe. Try that one if you want. It's up to you. Kung sweet ba. Ito, try natin to, no? Isa lang siguro. Kasi, papaya, magkano ba to? Hindi na masama. Bili tayo nitong ating paboritong tinapay. Wala silang malaki.
You don't like any other?
Wala silang malaki, guys. So, patay nito. Maliit na lang. Isang tinapay na white. Yan. Para lang makagawa ng sandwich minsan. So, maga kami dito para wala gaanong tao. Diba? Tingnan nyo naman. Wala gaanong tao. Yeah, we still have taco shells.
No?
Well, there's still a lot in there.
Okay.
Okay. So far yan yung nabili namin. Guys, bili tayo ng tinapay dito. Ito yung tinapay na gusto ng aking coworker. Sabado bukas para dalahin ko ito sa sa work. Kasi gusto niya to Nagdalawa kami. No? Yan. Hindi talaga to siya pwedeng pumunta na sa tindahan nang hindi makabili ng pang-tamis, guys. Kala ko ba diet ka? So, mamili lang kami. After dito, uuwi na kami, guys. Because I'm actually starving and I'm hungry.
You don't like those?
Yeah, they don't like those.
You don't like those?
French toast or... Yeah, sausage is fine. But I still have some stuff in there. Pancake, look. Do you think I can give Gabriel pancake? Or no? For breakfast. I mean, for school.
You can.
Daming stuff nila dito, guys. Kaya maganda din mamili dito. Pero usually talaga sa Costco kami namimili. Especially pang maramihang stuff.
They only have. This is better than that cheese right there, man.
Oh.
Just buy one of those.
Tapos na po kaming namili, everyone. So, i-load na po natin ang ating pinamili. Kasi kailangan namin balikan si kuya tapos na po siya sa school niya. Sana all. So, tara guys, tara. Tara. What?
You like road rage?
Ayan, tapos na po kami. So, ano lang natin itong ating pinamili. Ang ating pinamili, no? Tara.
Time to go get
Yeah.
Kuya.
So, dahil na po kami na grocery, no? Ngayon, pauwi na kami sa bahay para ma-load na po namin yung aming pinamili.
And then
what? Para makarelax na po.
finally relax.
So, ganyan po ang aming life. Busy,
Finally
busy,
relax.
busy.
And then
Hi guys, we made it home. Yan na natin to. Panglagay na natin to sa ating guys. Popple chips kasi gagawa ako ng nachos tonight. So, ito na yung papaya, guys. I-slice ko yun mamaya after namin kunin si kuya. Namili din kami ng mga spaghetti sauce kasi mamaya magluluto ako. Ito para sa nachos. Namili ako ng nachos cheese. May buy some couple tuna. Ketchup, guys. Ito jalapeno para mamaya sa nachos. Chicken and fries. Tapos frozen gulay. Bumili ako nito para try natin bigay ito kay Gabriel sa lunch niya. And some cheese. Ito pa another chicken, guys, para kay asawa. Tapos ice cream.
Congo ice cream.
Oreo. more ground beef. 3. Tapos, cheese.
They go in here or in.
Tingnan ko nito guys, pero dalahin ko to sa work on Sunday kay favorite din ng co-worker ko. Kasi minsan palagi po siya nagdadala and then ako hindi. Diba parang nakakaano naman. Ano pa? And some vegetables guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito mga seasoning. Tapos, bumili kami ng burger patty. And, ito, para kung mag-soup ako, guys. Ayan. And then, bumili din ako ng liver, beef liver. Lagay sa mga covers. Bumili din kami ng saging, guys. Saging is like kamatis. And, syempre, yung aking favorites, avocado. And, guys, bumili kami nito kasi mura lang. Hopefully, sweet siya. Cantaloupe to, guys. Parang parang melon sa atin. And jalapeno. Tapos cucumber, guys. Ayan, cucumber. And the green onion. Tada! Yung iba, put away na ni asawa ko. So, nandun na. Mga meats kasi yan, guys. Anyway, yan lang. And then, kunin natin si Kuya. Let's go!
I heard it was
Guys.
pretty authentic.
Oh, really? This one? Guys, itry namin yung tacos nila dito sa loob, no? First time namin dito.
They got Corona, Modelo.
Nakita kasi ni asawa, so let's give it. Oh,
See,
looks
the taco
good.
Like that one.
I hope it's not that expensive, kay, you know what I mean? So tara guys, pasok tayo sa loob. Let's check it out. So ayan po. Yan yung kanila menu dito. Looks good though. What are you having, Kuya? Diyan na yung order namin, guys. Mamaya pakita natin sa inyo. Pag uwi na namin. Kumuha kami ng ganyan, no? Put it there if you want. There you go. Let's go. Guys, we made it home. Ito yung food niya sa asawa ko. Ito ba? Satisfied ba tayo nito, guys? Parang kailangan natin ng biskotso, ah. Ito naman ang akin, guys. Ito ba yung akin or kay Kuya? Oh, ito mukhang masarap. Ayan. Kaya lang, ay naku, hindi ako naglagay ng sauce. At saka ito pa, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kay Kuya ba to. Akin. Ay, oo, ito yung akin, guys. Ayan. Bon appetit. Kain na po tayo.
Make that for $1.
That's what I said. We did not get sauce. Guys, coffee. Kain tayo. Bon appetit. Ayan. Reklamo siya sa kanyang food.
That's gonna get broke.
Basta ako, kain ako dito. Here, Han.
Huh.
Lagyan natin ito. Makino.
Your tacos blow these away.
Well, you can give it a try. Try the taste.
Well, I gotta pay rent.
Exactly.
A little dry.
Because we don't put sauce. We don't get sauce.
Why didn't you get hot sauce?
No one told me everybody wants some sauce. Well, there's a radish, Han.
I didn't know it was gonna be so dry.
So what can you say? I think I like mine.
It's good. It's too little.
Tama. Kain tayo. Bon appetit. Siyempre guys, sa packaging pa lang, mahal na. May kausap ng isa. Mamaya na daw sa kakain. Hey, cucumber.